I'm back. That's the okra boiling away. Now I've added my palm oil. So it's almost finishing. What you haven't seen is, you haven't seen me tasting it. The reason why you haven't seen me tasting it, because it's difficult to eat and I don't want you to see me dribbling with the okra. I I think I put a little bit of the spinach. I put was very little because I really did not want it to, we call it draw in Sierra Leone. I mean, I do not want it to be slimy. So if you can see, that's it. See, and it will be difficult to, I don't want to taste it because if I taste it, it's like when you are eating what's it called, the spaghetti. When you see you haven't folded all in your fork, you see the long one dropping. So that's what this okra would do me, and I don't want it to do me on camera. Okay, so almost finishing, and hope you enjoy my okra. Now I'm going to remove it because if I don't, it will get burnt, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, that's it. It's still cooking. Right. Okay, so we finished with this okra soup. I hope you enjoy me cooking, and I hope you will try to cook yours as well to see how you can cook it, you know. I love you all. Enjoy the day. This is Christmas Eve. Since 2 days ago I tried to prepare this. I couldn't. I was very lazy. Not that I was very lazy, but when things are too much for me, it makes everything go to the back burner. Because I had some packages which should have been collected to send to clients, and the post office did not pick it up on time, and I had cancellation and things like that. So I just feel so withered, tired, and stressed out. So I said, okra soup. So yesterday they picked up the parcels, and now I'm good to go. I have enough strength to have a blessed Christmas tomorrow. So you have a lovely day and a lovely Christmas Eve and a blessed Christmas Eve. You are all blessed. May God bless you. May God keep you. May God provide for you. May you be prosperous. And when you cook your okra soup, if you want, send me a pic in my inbox and Instagram, not Instagram, message me and notification, so I'll see how you prepare yours. And I love you all. God bless. Yeah, before I forget, you notice that there isn't much palm oil. Back home, when we cook this type of food, we put a lot of palm oil, and you will see it floating at the top of the dish. But now, because a little is enough, because palm oil is nourishing, but too much of it is too much fat. All right, it's a fatty oil, but it's a good oil. It's a good fat oil. All right, enjoy your dinner. I love you all. God bless and keep you. Bye-bye. Oh, this is Catherine, and I hope to bring some more dishes for you in the future. But I want you to enjoy this okra because it's a long time since I eat okra. It's very difficult to get. Okay, my door I'm gonna go now. My door there pass through for me. Bye bye.